In this video, I will show you how to fix the controller stick drift. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, as usual, what we want to do is we want to ensure that our controller is connected. We see the blue light. We know that's connected. Now, for a stick drift, it means that the joystick is not working and probably due to dirt or dust. So what you want to do is you want to punch in a pin into this hole at the back of the controller to reset the controller. If you reset it and the stick drift starts working, that's fixed. But if not, you need to ensure that no dirt or dust is in the joystick controller. So what I like to do is I like to gently roll the controllers like this. Roll them 360, roll them to allow any dust fall inside the controller itself. Or if you have a hair blower, you can blow the side of the controller for the dust to come out. I also like to turn it over, see if the dust is going to come out. If the stick is still drifting, then you probably need to take it to a technician to have it opened. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. See ya!